Hey everyone, I just thought I'd do this quick video just to help anyone out. If you have a Truma boiler, that's one of these. It's a gas and 240 volt water heater. Sometimes you might have this issue where the red light keeps coming on even after you try the Truma reset procedure. So I'll just quickly take you through the steps that I go through just to ensure that everything on the van is fine and we can figure out why this red light's coming on. First step I recommend is if you're trying to light it on gas and it's not lighting and the red light's coming on, come to your gas cooker because it's all on the same bottle anyway, and just make sure this lights up. That ensures that you have gas, and that also helps remove any air from the system. So that's the first step. So if the red lights come on, turn it off and just start diagnosing it this way. When you establish that, now you can move on to the next step. Your next step is just to come out here and make sure there's nothing blocking this vent. You're not forgotten the cover on the gas water heater. Make sure that's removed. Make sure there's no there's no dust or dirt or anything in this area. Make sure this is clean. Sometimes over time, if you're driven without the cover, you'll find that dust goes up in here. I've got another video showing how to do that. You just want to clean inside the exhaust vent. I'll put a link down in the description showing you how to do that. Make sure the gas bottle is fully open. Also check it might be low, and that might be causing a problem. So that's the second thing to check. Now we're back at the control panel. So before you try and turn that on again, make sure your water pump is on and make sure you have got enough fresh water in the tank, because you don't want to run that heater dry. So after you let that set for about 30 seconds and run through the procedures I just showed you, now you can come back here and just try and either flick it on to 60 or 70 degrees. You just heard it switch on, so now you just have to wait and see and make sure that it doesn't fault. So as you can see, it's working perfectly now. You'll find if you have just changed the gas bottle, there'll be air in the line, or you want to make sure that you go through this procedure and just follow the steps I took just to check all the areas I just showed you, and you should be good to go from there. Just one quick point: when you have established that there's no fault on the heater, so the red light's not coming on and everything is on, you want to go outside and just check the vent, which I'll show you now. Just put your hand over the vent so you can check for hot air. You just want to put your hand here, either side. You can feel the hot air coming out. And I don't know if you can hear it. You can actually hear the flame going in the background. If you listen closely now, I finished using the water heater, so just listen, and when I turn it off, you'll hear a click from the relay that indicates that the burner has been switched off. That click there, that indicates that everything was working perfectly, and now you just turned off the burner. Hope this video was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, as it really helps me out and it helps me make more videos like this.